Hey there, beautiful people. Anna here, and welcome back to Getting Sexy Back. Today, we're diving into something that's been creating quite a buzz in the weight loss world, the one-meal-a-day diet. Can you imagine eating just once every 24 hours? It sounds pretty extreme, right? Well, more and more people are claiming this radical approach is their secret weapon for dropping pounds fast. But is this too good to be true? Or could eating just one meal a day actually be the weight loss breakthrough you've been searching for? Stay tuned, because we're about to unpack everything you need to know about this controversial eating pattern. Let's break down exactly what the one meal a day diet, or OMAD, really means. Think of it as an extreme version of intermittent fasting, where you spend 23 hours of your day completely fasting, leaving just a single hour to consume all your daily calories. That's why it's often called the 23-1 fasting method. During those 23 hours, you won't consume anything with calories, just water, black coffee, or plain tea. Then, typically during dinner time, you get that 1 hour window to eat your entire day's worth of food. The interesting part? There are no restrictions on what you can eat during that meal. In today's episode, we'll explore the potential benefits some people claim to experience, like rapid weight loss and simplified meal planning. But we'll also dive into the serious risks and challenges that come with such an extreme eating pattern. Plus, I'll share some more balanced alternatives that might better suit your lifestyle and health goals. Let's dive into how the OMAD diet actually works in practice. Most people choose to have their meal in the evening, usually between 6 and 8 p.m. This means from the moment you finish your meal, you won't eat again until the same time the next day. During this time, you're limited to zero-calorie beverages like water, plain tea, and black coffee. When it comes to your single meal, you have a 1 hour window to consume all your daily nutritional needs. For the average adult, this means fitting somewhere between 1,500 and 2,500 calories into that single sitting. While there aren't specific rules about what foods you can or can't eat, it's crucial to focus on nutrient-dense options to avoid deficiencies. Planning this meal becomes incredibly important. You'll want to include a good balance of proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of vegetables. Think of building your plate with a portion of lean protein like chicken or fish, some whole grains or sweet potatoes, plenty of colorful vegetables, and healthy fats from sources like avocados or olive oil. One challenge many people face is eating such a large amount of food in one sitting. Your stomach might feel uncomfortably full at first, and you might struggle to consume enough calories to meet your daily needs. This is why some people gradually transition into OMAD by first trying a 16.8 fasting schedule, then slowly extending their fasting window. Now, let's explore what the research says about the potential benefits of eating just one meal a day. Several studies have shown promising results, particularly when it comes to weight loss and metabolic health. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine found that participants following a one-meal-a-day pattern experienced significant reductions in body fat, particularly around the midsection. One of the most intriguing benefits is a process called autophagy, where your body essentially performs cellular cleanup during extended fasting periods. Scientists have discovered that fasting for 15 hours or more can trigger this remarkable process, potentially helping to prevent age-related diseases and improve overall cellular health. The simplicity of meal planning is another significant advantage that shouldn't be overlooked. Instead of preparing multiple meals throughout the day, you focus your energy and attention on creating one nutrient-dense, satisfying meal. This can lead to better food choices and less decision fatigue around eating. Short-term studies have shown improvements in insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control in some participants. A study published in Cell Research demonstrated that time-restricted eating patterns similar to OMAD could help regulate blood glucose levels and potentially reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. However, it's important to note that most of these benefits aren't unique to eating just once per day. Many of the same advantages can be achieved through less extreme forms of intermittent fasting, such as the 16.8 method. What sets OMAD apart is the intensity of the fasting period, which some researchers suggest might amplify these benefits, though more long-term studies are needed to confirm this. While the potential benefits might sound appealing, we need to have a serious conversation about the risks and challenges of eating just one meal a day. This isn't a diet pattern that works for everyone, and there are several important concerns you need to consider before trying it. First, let's talk about nutrient deficiencies. When you compress all your daily nutritional needs into a single meal, it becomes incredibly challenging to consume adequate amounts of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. Even with careful planning, you might struggle to meet your body's basic nutritional requirements, which could lead to deficiencies over time. Blood sugar management is another significant concern. Going 23 hours without food can cause dramatic fluctuations in your blood sugar levels. Many people report experiencing dizziness, irritability, and difficulty concentrating during their fasting period. These symptoms can affect your work performance, mood, and overall quality of life. The psychological impact of such extreme fasting shouldn't be underestimated. Many people develop an unhealthy relationship with food when restricting their eating to just one meal. This can lead to binge eating during the eating window or obsessive thoughts about food throughout the day. Some individuals might even develop disordered eating patterns that can have long-lasting effects on their mental health. There's also the question of sustainability and long-term adherence. While you might be able to maintain this eating pattern for a short period, it often proves challenging to stick with it in real-world situations. Social events, family meals, and work schedules can make it extremely difficult to maintain this rigid eating schedule. Perhaps most concerning are the potential impacts on your metabolism and muscle mass. When you're fasting for extended periods, your body might start breaking down muscle tissue for energy, especially if you're not getting enough protein in that single meal. This can lead to decreased strength, lower metabolism, and ultimately make it harder to maintain a healthy weight in the long run. Now, let's explore some healthier and more sustainable approaches to weight loss that won't put your health at risk. Instead of restricting yourself to one meal a day, consider implementing balanced strategies that you can maintain for the long term. Portion control is a fantastic place to start. By simply being mindful of your serving sizes while eating regular meals throughout the day, you can create a calorie deficit without the extreme restrictions. Try using smaller plates, measuring portions initially to understand proper serving sizes, and listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Regular meal timing can also make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. Eating 3 balanced meals with small, nutritious snacks helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevents the extreme hunger that often leads to overeating. This approach also supports consistent energy levels throughout your day. Remember, sustainable weight loss isn't about quick fixes or extreme measures. It's about making gradual, lasting changes to your eating habits that you can maintain for life. The best diet is one that you can stick with while enjoying social occasions, family meals, and life's special moments without feeling restricted or deprived. All right, let's wrap up everything we've covered about the one meal a day diet and what it means for your health journey. While OMAD might seem like a quick fix, we've seen that it comes with significant risks and challenges that could impact both your physical and mental well-being. Instead of extreme fasting, focus on creating sustainable, healthy habits that work with your lifestyle. Start with small, manageable changes, like being mindful of your portions, eating regular balanced meals, and choosing nutrient-rich whole foods. Remember, the goal isn't just to lose weight. It's to maintain a healthy relationship with food while taking care of your body. If you're looking to dive deeper into sustainable weight loss strategies, I've included some fantastic resources in the description below. You'll find detailed guides on portion control, meal planning, and my personal recommendations for building healthy eating habits that last. Before you go, hit that like button and subscribe to join our community of health-conscious individuals. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. I love hearing from you and learning about your journey. Stay tuned for next week's episode, where we'll explore the science behind metabolism and share practical tips to boost your body's natural fat-burning potential. Until then, remember that your health journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one day at a time and keep getting sexy back. Hey there, sexy seekers! It's Anna Diamond here, and welcome back to Getting Sexy Back. Are you ready to take charge of your health in a way that feels manageable and fun? If so, I have something special for you. Introducing my new book, Daily Dose of Health, 30 Days, 30 Challenges. Let's transform your wellness journey, one small step at a time. In just 30 days, you can build lasting habits that will change your life. This book is packed with simple, achievable daily challenges, whether it's drinking more water, practicing mindfulness, or trying a new exercise. Each day presents a fresh task designed to fit seamlessly into your busy routine. No drastic changes needed. Why 30 days? Studies show that it takes around 21 to 30 days to form a new habit. Instead of overwhelming you with huge changes, I've broken it down into bite-sized tasks that are easy to incorporate. By the end of this month, whether you want to boost your energy, improve digestion, or simply feel better, you'll have developed a solid foundation for ongoing wellness. Each chapter of Daily Dose of Health offers a clear overview of the day's challenge, so you understand its importance. Step-by-step guidance to make the challenge super easy to follow. A list of benefits, keeping you motivated every step of the way. Plus, you'll find a reflection and progress tracker at the end of each day. This space allows you to jot down how you felt and what you learned, helping you stay accountable and aware of your growth. Curious about what kinds of challenges you'll tackle? Here are a few examples. Day 1, Hydration Challenge. Drink half your body weight in ounces of water. You'll be amazed at how energized you feel. Day 10, Mindful Eating. Take a moment to savor each bite. This simple act can improve digestion and enhance your enjoyment of food. Day 20, New Exercise. Try a fun workout like dancing or yoga to shake up your routine. These challenges are designed to fit into your lifestyle, so you can see real results without feeling overwhelmed. Are you ready to start your 30-day health journey with me? Let's build a healthier lifestyle together. Grab your copy of Daily Dose of Health. 30 days, 30 challenges, and begin transforming your well-being. One small challenge at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more health tips and inspiration right here on Getting Sexy Back. Join our community, share your progress, and let's get sexy back together. Here's to your daily dose of health. Let's make these next 30 days a time of growth, joy, and transformation. Remember, small actions lead to big changes. I can't wait to see you thrive.